Lois, you okay?
Yeah, it's just my allergies. They've been awful. I can't figure out what it is.
Clifford, no! Oh. Good boy. Now, let's get this nest home.
Can the next trend be a little less messy, Rarity?
Achoo!
Excuse me. I'm having terrible allergies.
You have to be careful this time of year.
Take cover!
Uh-oh.
What? Oh no. Alex, please. Phew, that was a close one.
We must have lost him. I better report this to His Royal Repulsiveness, King Cooper.
Oh, it can't be late. Do you want to make him wet? Achoo!
Achoo!
Oh, no. Sorry. Had to sneeze.
Aw, Glythe, you can't send us Glythe back there. Aw, sorry.
Sorry, excuse me.
A sneeze? A sneeze? Mike, you blew it! Who says excuse me after you
What?
sneeze?
What am I supposed to say?
Unnecessary.
Bless
I would
me
do all
and
that
bless
effort. Makes
myself?
Running! Gesundheit!
If you can't get going, we'll help you. There!
I'm very sorry, but I had to sneeze.
You know I can't stand it. I can't. Thanks.
Well, it's about time!
It won't work!
Hurry, Father! Climb aboard!
We'll never get my new Steve!
Yes, we will!
Hey, which way you go? Wait for me!
Hang on! Here we go!
Gesundheit!
I see. Oh.
All her cool friends. I'm so glad you're coming, Ariel.
By now, those poor dinosaurs probably have pneumonia.
Wait a second. What are you doing? No, don't do that. Hurry in.
onto something. I think he's gonna blow. Winnie the Pooh sneezed. The biggest sneeze that had ever been sneezed in the 100-acre wood.
Okay, to bed with you. Wait. All that's left to do is for the queen to blow the birthday bugle horn. No.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, shh! Quiet! Snuffy, don't!
I can't help it. It's but hay fever.
They will just hold your breath! Here it comes!
Sorry. Video, right?
Gesundheit.
And looks really painful, too.
Gesundheit.
My nose ring.
Ouch.
You can catch it.
Excuse me?
Did he say life-threateningly?
Achoo! Ew! Sorry. This is for you, Courtney. I don't feel... Wait,
Hit the deck! She's gonna blow!
I sure hope I don't sneeze into this glitter. Achoo! Oh no! It looks like she's gonna...
Velma, you're too sick to think. You climb into bed and rest.
Yep. Oops. Sorry, guys.
Don't sneeze.
Is that your best shot? Hey! What happened? Who turned off all the...
Bring it on.
Gesundheit.
Run! We can take it! We're your family!
What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast.